Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Orange Blossom from Strawberry Shortcake on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to I'm going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on as per usual. You know the drill. Okay. So I use this hair over here in this color. It's this one here. And I didn't do any adjustments for that. I did use it on this hair in that same color. So position it at Y.46, Z.56. And then I used this orange beanie in D16F32. Well, it's pink, but I colored it orange. Toggle it to no ears. Position it at Y.51, Z.56, X.83, and scale it to 0.89. Then for the flower, I used white and this orange color, FF941C. Positioned it at Y.76, same as the Z axis, rotated it at X.59, Y.07, Y.7, and Z is at 1 and scaled it the same. Then I used this for the leaves, colored it 576238 in the material silk. For the second color, I just used a lighter color of that, 8B9E59. And lastly, I just used this dark green color, 39490C. For the adjustments, X at 0.57, Y.75, Z.69. Rotated it at X at 0.94, Y at 0, and scaled it to 0.43. Then I used this summer hat that's outside here. I did this color, actually I did this pattern, this like plaid pattern, and then I used this for the rest, FFED60. Positioned it Y.40, Z.45, rotated it at X at 1, Y at 0.87, and scaled it to 0.66. And then I just use this color palette. I'm just too lazy to recolor everything, so I just use this paintbrush as a prop. Then I'm going to select this top here, and I'm going to use this pattern. I did use a VIP item, but again, you can adjust it to your liking. You can use other skirts. I use this one in non-glittery. I think I used type 2. And then I just colored everything this yellow and white pattern. Whoops. For the stockings, I used this one in high striped socks in white and this green. And then I also added this layer on in white and green again. For the shoes, I used these ones in orange, I think. Oh my gosh, I don't remember. Yeah, I used it in orange. And then here for the lace, I use white. You can do, actually I'll do orange for the lace. I mean green. And then I'll do the rest in orange, and then the last two colors in white. Sorry about the confusion there. And then we're going to add the color. So we're going to use this one, just color, and we're going to color the bow this yellow and the rest in this orange, like so. If I'm not mistaken, that is it pretty much. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!